Welcome all. I am Professor Prashant Pandey from Department of Civil Engineering, YCC, Nagpur. This video is regarding the determination of water content by oven drying method, which is coming under Geotechnical Engineering Laboratory. Aim of experiment is to determine water content of soil using oven drying method. First we will see the background of this parameter, means water content. Water content is a parameter which governs index properties of soil as well as engineering properties of soil. Index properties covers liquid limit, shrinkage limit, plastic limit. Also it covers dry density of soil. Engineering property covers shear strength, consolidation and compaction. It means overall properties are affected by water content or depends on water content. Therefore, this parameter is very much important in geotechnical engineering. Theoretically, it is defined as the ratio of mass of water to the mass of soil solids. So the formula for this is it is the ratio of weight of water to the weight of soil solids. It is indicated by small w. It means small w is equals to WW upon WS into 100. It is expressed in percentage. Also, but practically it is calculated by small w is equals to W2 minus W3 upon W3 minus W1, where W2 indicates or W2 is equals to weight of container plus weight of wet soil. W1 indicates weight of empty container. W3 indicates weight of dry soil multiplied by 100. Means practical formula for water content is small w is equals to W2 minus W3 upon W3 minus W1. So let us start how to get the water content in laboratory. We'll see step-by-step procedure for determining water content. See the apparatus used in this practical. First is metallic container or metal container with lid. This is container and this is lid. This is balance with sensitivity 0.01 grams. This is the balance with sensitivity 0.01 gram. Then desiccator, oven that is placed over that OTA, and soil sample. And quantity of soil to be taken is 50 gram. Why 50 gram? Because that is depends on the soil size or particle size of soil. There is a criteria as per IS 2720 part 2. Size of particle more than 90% pass through 425 micron, then we will have to take 25 grams of soil sample. For 2 mm soil, 50 grams. For 4.75 mm soil sample, 200 grams soil sample we will have to take. Then for 9.5 mm, it is 319 mm, 537.5 mm, it is 1000 gram soil sample is required. So these are the apparatus used for determining water content. See, this is the observation table. In this, first column is serial number, second column is container number, third is M1 in grams. M1 means mass of empty container. Then M2 in grams, mass of container plus wet soil. Then M3 means mass of container plus dry soil. Means after placing the wet soil in oven for 24 hours, temperature is in between 105 to 110 degrees Celsius. Means dry weight of soil plus mass of container. Then after getting these all the three readings, M1, M2 and M3, by using this formula, W is equals to M2 minus M3 upon M3 minus M1. See, clear this, M2 minus M3 upon M3 minus M1 into 100. It is in percentage. So how should we take this observation? We will see step by step. Let us start procedure step by step as per IS 2720 part 2. First, clean and dry the metallic container with lid. Take empty weight of container. You can take without lid or with lid. If you will take with lid, then after drying also you will have to place lid at the time of weighing the soil. Here we will take the observations. First, take empty weight of container with lid and record it in the table. But remember that first we will have to record the container number like this. Here I have already recorded the container number which are available in laboratory. First is 78 number and container number is depicted on its lid, either on lid or on the container. So here this is 78 number container. That's why here we have recorded serial number 1, container number 78. Then take the weight, that is next is M1. For M1, put this on weighing balance with lid. This is coming around 15.13 that I have recorded in this. 15.13. See, this is recorded. Now for M2, the mass of container plus wet soil. See the observation table. Here M1 and M2 has already taken. M1 means weight of empty container with lid, and M2 means weight of empty container, weight of container plus weight of wet soil. So that has already taken. Now put this soil and container in oven for 24 hours at 110 degree Celsius plus minus 5 degree, or either 105 or 115. So now we will put this soil sample into oven 110 degree Celsius. Now repeat the same procedure for another 2 observations. After 24 hours, take out the dry soil sample and keep it in desiccator desiccator for 5 to 10 minutes so that it will stabilize the temperature, and desiccator is used to avoid the soaking of natural moisture and maintain it dry. Take out after 5 seconds, take out it and take dry weight of soil sample, which is coming out to be nearly 29.06 gram. Record it in observation table. So this is our complete observation table, which includes the readings of container number 78, 79 and 80. Now let's see the sample calculations. Sample calculation for observation number 1. So for observation number 1, let's write first formula M2 minus M3 upon M3 minus M1 into 100 is equals to, put the values. M2 is 33.92 minus M3 is 29.06 upon 29.06 minus 15.19 is equals to into 100, and this comes out to be 35.04%. We can say this as 1. For observation number 2, W2, and this is coming as 35.50. For observation number 3, W3 is equals to 34.90. Therefore, average water content WAVG is equals to W1 plus W2 plus W3 upon 3, and this is equals to 35.04 plus 35.50 plus 34.90 upon 3 is equals to 35.15%. Therefore, our result is the water content for the given soil sample is found to be 35.15%. So likewise we have to complete our